Hey guys, what's up? It is a vlogmas day 13 and today is a very gloomy and wet day. This is what it's looking like outside. Yeah, not the best weather at all, and it just seems like lately on Tuesdays that I need to take Clayton out to speech therapy. It's been raining and that's a bit difficult when you have 2 kids. And I just did something really silly, y'all. Let me show y'all. When Clayton gets home on Tuesdays, he usually takes a nap, but he is a difficult child to wake up. So let's see how this goes. Clayton. Come on, buddy. Clay. So then I just gotta go like this sometimes. Kind of scoop him up. Hi. You ready? I gotta try to get out of this house in like 10 minutes. Don't go back to sleep. Dang, this girl done wet up all this pillow. Now this is the really silly thing that I did. Savannah came home and I put her down saying, oh, you could take a 20-minute nap. Let's see how this goes to try to wake her up. She was snoring up and down. She's not tired. Savvy. Come on. We gotta go now, okay? Tired? Savvy. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Hey, Clay. Clay. You see this? Grumpy. You want to go back to bed? Savannah, are you staying home? Or you coming? You coming? We gotta go. Get the iPad. That's the magic word, y'all. Alright, see you later. No. Whoa, be careful. So this, y'all, this is my crafting closet. It's junky, I know. Every time I reorganized this like a month ago and then it got back like this. I have a lot of stuff. Anyways, I'd like to make some crochet goods for the kids in my children's church. So I'm gonna look in here and see what I have here. I know I got a lot of good stuff last year. Yarn wise, to see what I can find to make them something nice for the holiday season. Anyways, I'm gonna do that, try to grab it because now we're running a little bit late. Gotta get out this house to get to speech therapy. 4:12, I got 3 minutes. Is that gonna work? Maybe not, but let's see. You guys wanna know what it's like having twins? This is it right here. What's wrong? What happens when the twins are tired?
I'm not.
You're not what?
I'm not tired.
Alright, come on. Hush, let's go. This is why nap time is so important, y'all. Because look at this. You ready? Come. Let's go. Okay. When we get in the car, you can take off your hood. Woo! Look, guys, the snow is melting. Go ahead.
I don't want the snow.
More snow will come. This is what happens. Look here. Okay guys, so I'm here at Clayton's speech therapy, and on the way in I was listening to the radio and the song The Weekend by SZA came on. It's an older song.
You say you got a girl. How you want me when you got a girl? A feeling is reckless of knowing it's selfish, knowing I'm desperate. My man is your man, her that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I just keep him satisfied through the weekend.
it was the first time I actually listened it from the beginning to the end, where she's talking about the guy is looking her and how she knows she's desperate, how she knows it's wrong, but you know, she just wants love so bad, basically, and how she's just willing to be with him on the weekend if that's what it takes for her to get a piece of him. And it's just kind of like, it's so sad that there's so many women out there that are just willing to be that weekend girl. Like, you already know that this person is committed to someone else. Well, I shouldn't even say committed, because if he's looking you or whatever the case may be, obviously he's really not that committed to you. But it just amazes me how some women are okay with just being the weekend. They're just okay with being less than. And then when, you know, you've been this side chick for a couple years now and you're up in your age, this man done steal away your years of youth, being the side girl, and your friends around you or the people you know, you're 27, 28, 29, 30 in that age range, and people are starting to get married, and you're wondering, like, how come this happened to you? Like, how come him not left for him baby mother? How come him not left for him woman? Like, you knew what it was from day one. So why you even put yourself in that position? Because now you done wasted time.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
And you settled for the weekend. So why you feel as though he's gonna be like, yo, you were settling for the weekend in the beginning? Why you think I'm gonna leave my baby mother? Why you think I'm gonna leave my wife, you know what I'm saying, to come and be with you? Why we can't just keep it the way we always had it? So all I'm trying to say is, like, don't spread yourself thin for these men that are not willing to be yours and only yours, because it don't make sense in the end. I was listening to Miss Kitty the other day, and she was talking basically about the same thing, because there was a woman who had been with a man for a long time, side girl coming in, he ended up marrying the side girl or whatever the case may be, but he didn't commit to the baby mother. And I know that they're kind of different in a sense, but similar in many ways. It's like, this man, he gave you all these babies, and then I was listening, and you know what, I was also last night a clip of what is that, Love and Hip Hop New York came on, where Cardi B was going after, I forget the guy's name, but he's the one that had Amina B and the other Tara pregnant at the same time. And you know, she was like, how you guys have this man out here having you guys looking stupid. And both of the women were kind of looking at Cardi B like she was crazy. And it's facts. Like, you're out here looking crazy. Both of you guys pregnant at the same time for the same man. Both of you guys want him at the same time, or whatever the case may be. He could only be in one place at one time. So it's either he's going to be with playing you or playing the other one. And it's like, you guys, some women out there will just sit down and accept that and feel as though, yo, they don't deserve better in life. You deserve better. Like, there's no need to be sitting down with a man who is going to impregnate you and then impregnate the next one, and then in the end, all you have is not a commitment. You just have whole heap of baby around with no father in sight consistently. Like, I know people can co-parent, you know, different things happen or whatever the case may be. Sometimes people don't always work out, but just the thought to me to say initially from the beginning, my child have to be split in time with other women's children in other houses, like, that don't sit right with me. And I know certain things happen where that's just the facts. Like, if before he had children, you already knew that your children's time were gonna be split, but you guys together at the same time, and y'all having babies months apart from each other, now your kid never gonna have the consistent time with the father that they deserve to. Or if that man spends majority of the time with you, how unfair is it to the other woman's child now? His or her father is not going to be in his or her life consistently. You know, there's so many different things that come to this one little action, this one little weekend that you thought was only going to be a weekend. Now it turned into years. Now you're pregnant. Pregnant without a commitment. Like, no, you're worth more than that. Honestly, zip up your thing, keep it to yourself. If you cannot get a commitment, you don't need to be doing the most. And that's the thing Miss Kitty was saying the other day on her show, what enough people try to burn her out for. And I'm just like, how could you be so silly to really think that what Miss Kitty is saying is foolishness? Basically, what she was saying is, don't spread yourself thin for these men who will not commit to you. If you know, say you have a waste man, why you wasting time? Like, why are you doing the most? Why are you having babies for this man? If he's not willing to commit to you, that means commitment to me is a marriage. It's not just only, yeah, I'm a girlfriend. Of course, you have to be girlfriend and boyfriend before you can be married. But like, if him not willing to marry you, to put you on a pedestal and say, no, this is my wife, why are you willing? Why are you willing then to give yourself, stretch yourself thin for this man for years, for him then to just leave you? That don't make any sense to me. And so she was, one of her writers said basically she had 3 kids for this man. They had been together for at least 6 to 10 years. It was like a long time. But check the levels. If you start talking to someone when you're 23 and you're with them for 6 years, that means that you're 29 when he's leaving you. Or if it's longer, that means that you're well into your 30s. No, him not married you. All he did was gave you kids and more bill and more stress. No, him gone. And in the story, that man married another woman within 3 months, y'all. Within 3 months. And you know why that happened? Because that woman go have kids for this man, for this waste man, who wasn't willing to commit to her in the beginning, and she wasted her time. No, she wasted out. Who gonna want somebody with 3 kids? And I'm not even saying it to try to be like malicious or rude or insensitive, because I know that there's other situations where, you know, people are married or, you know, they're in a serious, you would never expect it from this man, or this man was living a double life, and, you know, no one could have said, yo, Johnny, I do this, or Johnny would do this, or this could happen. Like, I get those situations. But for the woman, the women who know said a man a waste man from the beginning, you know, say he is no good, down, dirty dog, or however they want to say it. You already know that. Why are you wasting your time? Why? And then Miss Kitty was saying like, yo, until you sort it out, until you figure it out, don't give this man the most. All right, that means that, all right, you making something, you're making a little dinner or whatever. Why you making salmon for $9.99 a pound? Why you cook oxtail for this big money? No, give that man tin food. And basically, like, even if you don't take that to a practical level, just take it. And for those who don't know, like, mackerel in the tin is like, here it's like 69 cents for a tin. Yeah, you could get like 3 for $3, and you could get 3 for under $3 with some white rice, and you'll have a meal for like $5, right? And in the sense, I get what Miss Kitty is saying. Like, even if you don't want to take it practical as far as to say, no, I'm not gonna make a dinner and serve a man mackerel and rice or whatever. But it's like, why are you giving the quality initially, like straight up from the front, to somebody who's not even committed to you? Why are you not giving him the little, you know, bounce about food, make it work food, figure it out food, struggling food, trying to, you know, see if this is going anywhere food? Like, why are you giving him the quality up front, not knowing if this is going anywhere? No, you done cooking the oxtail and the salmon and the rice and peas with the coconut where you have to grate it from morning, and, you know, all these different things. Now he done leave you. Now you done give out all of your good stuff to this waste man. Now all you have left are mackerel and rice to give the next man, who potentially could have been the right one, your husband, or, you know, your long-time committed relationship. That don't make no sense. So ladies, all I'm saying at this point is, do not stretch yourself thin for these waste men out here. If he does not have potential in the beginning, don't even bother. Don't even waste the time. 2018 coming is not about the potential that you see. It's about actions. Not, oh yeah, I could see that, you know, he could be. No, what is he doing to be? Don't waste the time. You don't, life is like a vapor. So next time you take a cup out of the microwave, look at the vapor, see how fast it goes off, and you tell me if life is like that, if life disappears that quickly. One day you're 20, the next day you're 60. Why is this man worth your time? If life is that short that it just dwindles away like that, why you have time to be wasting on this waste man? In 2018 coming up, girls, don't be that side piece. Don't be that side piece expecting that you're gonna get more out of this man that he gave to the previous woman, because you're gonna get stuck with the same thing that she got stuck with, a headache. Anyways, I have 3 minutes. I'm gonna drive up to the front now because Clayton is coming out. That's my little rant for today. That's my little, is that my son? No, that's my little I didn't do my motivational Monday, so that's my motivational little speech for today. Don't waste the time on waste mania. Don't do it. All right, let me go and get Clayton now. I'm gonna pull up to the front. Say hi.
Hi.
So I just got Clayton back. He's having a bit of a rough day. He's been having a rough day since this morning, but he did good at speech therapy. My phone is telling me that traffic is crazy right now. It's like 40 minutes away from home. So we shall see. Hopefully it won't take me that long, because, and the reason why, oh, Clayton wants me to be done with you guys already so that we can leave. But the reason why it's taking so long is because his speech therapist is actually really near to a mall, like one of the main malls. So we are getting all the Christmas traffic. So I'm gonna try to go the opposite way. I decided that I'm gonna go to my sister's house. I forgot that I promised Savannah that we would go there today after speech therapy, which works out because she's actually closer to speech therapy than I am to my house. So I get to beat the traffic a little bit. Anyway, let me go ahead and get there. Where are we, Clayton?
I'm in the house.
Yay!
Wake up, you wake up.
Who's inside?
Morning.
Morgan.
Wake up, you wake up. Wake up, you. Wake up. Wake up, you.
Wake up, Pooh. Savvy. We're at Auntie Monique's house.
Ah!
Savvy.
Savvy.
Should we leave her in the car?
Yep.
Leave her in the car?
Yeah.
That's not nice.
Yep.
No, it's not. Guys, look at this yummy dinner my sister made for us. So this is chicken Alfredo.
I just did it for the last video.
And they got some of this sparkling juice. What is it called again? Sparkling juice cocktail. So this is our yummy, yummy din din. Clayton. Yummy?
Yeah, and my yummy.
Yummy in your tummy. And you already know Savannah thinks it's yummy. Right? Say thank you, Auntie Money.
You're welcome.
So this is my plate, guys. It was so delicious. These things are actually from Clayton's plate because he didn't want them, but
No broccoli.
big props to my sister
broccoli?
because this was so yummy.
I don't like broccoli.
Why don't you like broccoli?
I don't like anything else like broccoli. Not yucky.
It's yucky?
No.
No. It's good?
No. He doesn't like anything when he says yucky, yummy. He doesn't say anything, but he doesn't like fruits or vegetables or food.
Really?
I don't like pancakes.
Oh.
Get your hand.
Pancakes! What is so funny?
You are funny.
Funny.
You forced it. You need to eat your food. It's not working. You still have to eat no matter how much you laugh.
Oh. No, lucky.
Taste it.
There's a broccoli. No, that's the broccoli.
What's that?
What is it?
That's the broccoli. That's the rock.
That's a rock. That's not a rock. Take a bite.
Did you like?
It's not a rock, it's food.
Bite it, chew it.
Cheese?
Chew it.
Cheese?
Eat it like a lion. That's chicken.
That's chicken. You're right.
I'm right.
Let your heart be light. And from now on, our troubles will be out of sight. I'm a big deal. Yeah, me and my friend, I'm a big deal. Wanna listen up? You know I'm very important.